doing?
Picking up some new rims for the 240.
You're buying rims for the 240.
I know, right? It's rare, huh? I never treat it to no good shit.
It's gonna look nice.
But yeah, for sure. Some 3 pieces again. You know what I'm saying?
Man, the cars in general.
Here, put that one on that side. The one that's fucked up. We got people's orders and rims in here.
Orders, rims. Shit, I'm doing walking on the beams so that we can get some of these 2x4s. Alright, now I gotta get across this bitch. Alright, made it done. Just got the tires, slapping them on. Got the little homies over here. We're gonna slide this shit. Someone come get these. Yeah.
Clean.
You did this side already? Okay. How was it?
Cool. It's been a minute since I did a fucking donut even. Fuck. You know I love that shit.
Whoa!
You know what car this is?
It looks like a Camaro.
What? It's called
or a Mustang.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? It's called a Skyline. You can only get this cars from Japan.
So you guys have to like pay, sorry. You guys have to like pay certain like extra to have it out here? Or, where are you guys from?
Yeah.
You guys from here?
Yeah.
That's dope. Hi. My boyfriend was like, I know. Tone.
Bobbing in the sprinter van now, man. Where we going to now?
We heading to a car meet, man, in Hayward, California.
When's the last time you've been to like
a car meet?
A car meet just out on the, not like a car event, car meet, just out on the street. Besides Bay Bridges.
Probably like a year ago, I stepped out to Dublin. It's like a little parking lot car meet thing, like a JDM car meet, you know what I mean? It was with the baby blue Skyline, we brought it out.
Damn, so last time you was at a car meet, you was in a Skyline.
Yeah.
And now you coming to this one, you in a
Skyline. Yeah. I love Skylines though. You know, me and you, man, when we seen our first Skyline like on the floor, on the street, like I don't know how to take that in. Like I still remember that shit like it was yesterday.
Yeah,
Shout out to Corey.
I'm the same way. Like Even though like I'm at SEMA seeing all these fucking dream cars.
Yeah.
But if I hit the strip and I see one just driving.
Yeah, it's different. It hits different.
What's up, brother? What you doing?
Beautiful. Fuck! I found your ass.
Finally came, huh?
Hey, you got a lighter?
What's going on? No, I don't smoke.
It's all
man.
good. It's all good.
My brother Tom pulled up. He brought the whole van.
Yeah,
He brought the van. He brought the whole.
Just thinking about it. Yeah. Show stopping. Show stopping.
Stopping right here. That's our destination right here.
I'm in my friend. I'm standing out with my friend.
Man, you know where we at Hayward with it, man. That's how you fuck up a nigga video, dog.
It's your video.
Front line every time it's on, nigga. 100 proof flow. 100 shoot pro. 58 drop. Blood bulletproof.
Shit, fucking. Don't hit the skyline. Clear. And had the homie over here vacuuming. He already working on the 5.0. Getting the detail. We're gonna shoot this thing later. Camera equipment in the back. That's for money. How's your day going, sir?
Good, man.
What's going on right now?
We're about to go to Sacramento. You want that? There's a lot. Fuck with these right now, too. Grab your stuff, Muck.
Nah, I got it, bro. Thank you.
That didn't even know good.
Oh, nigga, you ain't been not on 4, nah, I'm getting into a gunfight unless it's on one. Machete on the K, but I'm heavy-handed point mouth. I just lean out the choke. Nah, I want them bitches. I need the money. We know the baby who got the soup coop. I speed to the left, this. They got with time. That's pretty much
Put in your pocket. You keep that forever, baby.
You can go a little faster, cuz.
We just got done doing some dope ass rolling shots. Now we're rolling over here to the shop. Some more shots to the 50. What the fuck?
What's up with it, man? We're at the shop with it. Got some shit to do with Most, man. Shout out to Most. Subscribe, follow the YouTube, comment, like, all of that shit, man. Stay shitty, you dig?
Turn this light on. The whips, man. Sorry about the quality of the camera. Fuck it. I gotta open this shit. Alright, yeah, we shooting the Fox today. We're gonna park this bitch probably like out here. Get some dope shots. I like that it's half lighting. Shoot here, do some dope ass shots, some content. Yeah. And it's gonna be a dope Sunday. You're clear. Keep going, keep going. You're good.
Man, that was crazy.
Okay, what?
I just clip them together and it creates electricity.
Boy flew over here from the East Coast. Gonna fly the drone. Look at his batteries. You gotta carry all these with you. This is hella weight. We just got done shooting the 50. So I just moved the Skyline out. About to bring the 240 out. Bring the Fox back inside. We got everybody over here chilling. More people actually just came through. So we got an audience. This right here, we just doing this one just for the content, for the YouTube. Yeah, you guys know him from Sunday Fun Day. Homie over here from Miami. The boys over here getting ready. Okay, look, he's gonna go this way first. He hits this corner and he slides that way too.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah.
But when he first came in the drone,
The car's good, it just got too hot. And I think the police are on the way probably. Bags and drifts out there. And then we have big ass events like 2, 3 throughout the
Got done shooting. Show them what you just did.
yeah,
You was yelling. I thought you crashed.
Oh, me too.
Oh fuck! Oh my god! I'm like, what happened? He's all, this is sick. What happened? What happened?
Live for this moment, boy.
My shit's sick, bro. Oh my god. Look at that car. Oh shit. That shit's sick. I'm about to come back around.
It was dope.
That was tight.
Dope as always, huh?
Still amazed, man. Motherfucker was doing 70, 80 sideways, completely pitched sideways.
Them shit go like this, fully.
Boy, Gooch got hit in the eye with something.
You don't know which one?
That shit feel funny as hell. I'm good.
You good?
I done seen a driving, bro. I ain't never seen no nigga fly a fucking drone like this, bro. Oh my god, bro.
I don't know where my phone, nothing's at.
How you feeling?
Good, it's been a minute, bro. I feel like, you know, we used to do this shit a lot.
I know.
We need to do this shit more.
I'm trying to make you do it every time.
Happy bro came from out of town. Happy, you know, we working. We got Detroit, we got LA, we got Miami, we got Baltimore in the house. You know, Bay Area in the house, you already know.
You fucker.
For sure got fuckers in the house. You medium? Medium? Yes, sir. Here. Thank you, bro. This one's Stacy. This one's fuck how you feel. I got the number on the back.
Fuck how you feel, man.
Yeah, and I got my race car number 16 on the back. Bro, I love you guys, bro. Let me give you some stickers too. Hold on. Yeah, man, for sure. That's fine. That's fine. Harder. The girl said that makes.
It's the same day. It's nighttime. Tone went to go get some food, and we're doing a night shot. So we got the fog machine going. I got the lights set up. Gonna make something dope happen. Look at them stickers though. I'll spread the smoke around. All right, camera stuff is over there. All right, it's a wrap. Turn this off and turn this off.
The first giveaway, we did a Skyline. Congratulations, bro. You just won. You tripping? We're heading to Castro Valley to meet up with the new owner. So you only bought one, huh?
One ticket.
Man, that's what's up. That's all it takes.
Have you entered car raffles before?
Nope. First one.
Second giveaway, we did a Corvette. Are you Donovan Andrews? We're delivering the Corvette to the new owner.
This shit is real.
On this one, we bringing it home. We doing a 5.0 drop top. This 89 Fox got a cam, heads, headers, intake. It got all the dope shit on it. It got cherry red guts all through it. White brand new top. AC's on there. Blows cold. It's just a fun ride. Stickers are available right now. StayShittyHotWheels.com. Go get you one, man. And this shit could be yours.